everyone, I went to Michael's and I just wanted to show you what I picked up. I had a gift card because I don't usually go to Michael's a lot. But I saw these cute treat bags. They have the little trees and the little it comes with the paper clips. But I got it mostly for the bag because I use these kind of bags in my journal and I'll cut them and I'll glue one to one page and one to another page. I used to fold them and use it as a page. I don't do that anymore. No particular reason why, I just don't do it. So they have all these pretty snowflakes on them. There was only one left, so I got this one, but I got like 6 of these. They had the gingerbread house, and how cute would that be in a journal? And it comes with all the gingerbread men and the little, little tiny clothespins that you can just stick on there, which I probably won't do that. It'll be too bulky with the pin, but I might stick the little guys, little gingerbreads on there. And that's what the back of the bag looks like. So I got about 6 of those because they had a ton, and only one of the tree because that's all they had, unfortunately. I saw these clips. They were so cute. They were just there. I don't even think they weren't even in a particular spot. They were just like thrown around somewhere, like somebody didn't want it anymore. And all this stuff was 75%. No, was it 70 off? I think it was 70 off all this stuff. So I got these cute little Santas. Those are really cute. And then they had Christmas paper packs left over. But I'm picky and I didn't like a lot of them. So I got 2 paperbacks of the same thing. I love those mittens. And I'll go through it too. I'll try to go through it. Let me try to open this up. Yeah, I don't go often because when I go, I never find anything. It's hard for me to find. A lot of people get sales. They find the sales. But when I go, I never seem to have too much luck there. So I don't go that often. But I'll show you. Like, you got the mittens, which are adorable. So you got 2 sheets of that. You got this green plaid. This will be good when I do make the gift cards for the men for Christmas. That paper would be good for them. Then I have cutouts here. You got these cute snowmen and like a journaling card here. And the mittens with the nice glitter around it. And this cute thing that you can write. So that's really cute. I got 2 of those. It's not double-sided. I have this print. There's glitter throughout it, like here and here. Yeah, you probably can't see it. So you get 2 of those sheets. I thought this was cute. You get the trucks and the trees and the snowmen. That's a cute print. They had another book that had all plaid, and I didn't like that. Look at this. It's like the candy cane fabric I got. I really like this a lot. So that's cute. All the little different candy canes. And here's some cut aparts. You can make some tags here with all these. And we got these too. And the hot cocoa. So 2 sheets of that. We have this red check plaid. We have a big snowman here. It says warm winter wishes. A snowflake page, which who doesn't like that. I just made some cards like that too. Some poinsettias. This is like a candy cane stripe kind of pattern, and that's it. So I really liked this paper pad a lot. I picked 2 up. And like I said, the other ones, they had like a pack of all different greens. You know, it just, I don't know. It was alright. But I just picked these 2 up. So I wanted to share that with you. That's what I got at Michael's. Not too much at all, but I did get, you know, I got a few things and it was a good deal. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.